Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NTH. I'm your tutor Mr. Bookie. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so this is the ultimate channel where you learn problems on maths covering the different topics. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and send the link of this channel to somebody that needs easier math skills to be worked upon. Alright, so let's look at today's question. It's on a right angle triangle, that's trigonometry. The question reads, in a right angle triangle, if tan theta is equal to 3/4, what is cos theta minus what? Sin theta. Alright, so this is a simple one. So without wasting much of our time, let's solve the problem together. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to quickly represent the right angle triangle. Remember, this is 90 degrees. All right, we have the angle here, theta. So we're already given tan theta is equals to what? 3/4. So tan what? Theta is equals to 3/4. And remember, tan, which is 2, means what? We have the opposite over what? The adjacent. So the opposite to this is what? 3. Then the adjacent, which is this side, is what? 4. So we are meant to find what? The hypotenuse. Okay? So what we are simply going to do is we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse. Okay? So remember, hypotenuse square is equal to what? Opposite square plus what? Adjacent square. Alright, so our hypotenuse square is equal to, our opposite is 3, so we have 3 square plus adjacent is what? 4 square. So that will give us 3 square means 3 times 3 plus 4 square means 4 times 4. So that will give us our hypotenuse square is equal to what? 3 times 3 is 9 plus 4 times 4 is 16. Now if we sum them, if we add 9 plus 16, we are going to get 25. So what becomes the hypotenuse? We are going to take square root of both sides. Okay, so the square root to cancel this, so we have our hypotenuse is equal to what? Square root of 25 is what? 5. So now we know our hypotenuse is what? 5. Okay, so from this we can now find from the right angle triangle what is our cos theta and our sin theta. So from this, remember cos theta, we have to find it, and we also have to find sin what? Theta. So what is cos theta and what is sin theta? You have to remember your relation or your trick of what? So, ka and toa. But in this case, we are meant to use so and what? Ka. Alright? So for my cos theta, we have the adjacent divided by what? The hypotenuse. So we have the adjacent divided the hypotenuse. For sin theta, we have the opposite divided the what? Hypotenuse. So let's see what this gives us. Now for the cos theta, we have our adjacent is this, which is 4, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 5. For our sin theta, we have our opposite is this, which is 3, and our hypotenuse is what? 5. Okay. Now, having gotten that, we can now substitute back into this expression to find what the expression is. So remember, we're given cos theta minus what? Sin theta. Alright, so our cos theta is 4/5, so this is 4/5 minus our sin theta is what? 3/5. Now, since they are of the same base, what we are simply going to do is we are going to what? Pick one of the base, okay? So 5 divided 5 is 1 times 1 times 4 is 4 minus 5 divided 5 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3, okay? So we have 4 minus 3, which is going to give us 1 over what? 5. So 1/5 gives us the solution, to this expression cos theta minus sin theta. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. If you like watching, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Ensure to share this video to somebody who will help you. Bye.